She had no strength left in her, so she fell down to the ground. The baby on her back was crying, crying out in pain. She begged Mom for food, but Mom couldn't help. They told her, "Give the child to us." She slowly laid him down. She looked at them with trembling eyes as they pushed her to the ground. She whispered, "Please forgive me, my children are still small." They pulled her arms behind her. She could not fight at all. She said before they took her life, "There's one thing I must say.